At 230 miles per hour, the difference between winning and losing can be razor thin. For former IndyCar driver and team owner Michael Andretti, the pursuit of a checkered flag means finding a way to squeeze every bit of performance from his cars as well as his race team.
We're working at things to try to get 1 pound of aerodynamic drag off the car, which is like hardly measurable. And that's all pushed by the competition, you know, it's so tough.
Speed, precision, and teamwork. That's what it takes to win.
As a race team, you're always trying to be better. We had identified a need to have more capabilities in our fabrication area and engineering to do more, innovate more, do it more quickly.
A big run to us is 24 pieces, but yet we might do 4 projects in a day. So we're constantly changing the machine, the programming.
We sometimes will get a print on a Monday, have to have a job done on Wednesday to go on the race cars to leave for a race on Thursday.
Time is a precious commodity, and once you lose time, you never get it back.
People think that racing is all about just a driver and he does it all. Without a team behind you, you can be the greatest driver to ever lived and you're not going to get results.
With every detail making a difference, Andretti Autosport decided they needed a new team member, a world-class machining technical sponsor. They turned to DMG Mori Seiki.
I think the things that stood out about DMG Mori Seiki to us were their reputation in the marketplace, industry leaders, their capabilities, the speed, the reliability, the precision.
The name recognition is huge within the industry. Anybody in racing knows Mori Seiki.
The reputation of DMG Mori Seiki is first class. It was described to me as the Ferrari of their industry. That instantly gives a status and credibility that you know you're working with the best. The more I got to know the team at DMG Mori Seiki, the more I came to appreciate that description. You could tell by the smiles on the faces of our engineering team, they were extremely happy with the ability to work with DMG Mori Seiki.
With the decision made, the DMG Mori Seiki team had to deliver.
We were totally amazed at how quickly our machine shop, our engineers were able to get up to speed.
I was pretty intimidated at first getting 3 new machines in and having to learn 3 new controls all at once. The in-house training that we were provided was very good. It allowed us to get up to speed very quickly and get parts out the door.
We were expecting a 2-week downtime, turned into a 3-day downtime.
To meet the specific demands of Andretti Autosport, DMG Mori Seiki brought in tooling partners to deliver a complete package that exceeded team expectations.
DMG Mori machines have proven to be much more rigid. I can get much faster feed rates, higher spindle speeds, better finish on my parts.
The tools that we have now are doing the work twice as fast as what we had in the past, and the quality of the work is twice as good.
Our Mori Seiki NV5000 is just an incredibly fast machine. It's probably the best machine I've ever used.
With the Andretti Autosport DMG Mori Seiki team in place, the real results showed up on the track.
I call them our Go Fast sponsors because in the end, they help us innovate and do what we need to do as a race team to go fast on the racetrack.
Today, DMG Mori Seiki machines are producing custom parts faster and with greater precision than Andretti Autosport thought possible.
We're starting to deal in tolerances that we never really considered before. When you think about race cars, you think of thousands. It's amazing this year how many times we've talked about millions. The new DMG Mori Seiki machines can get us to those tolerances. They can get it to us quickly. Speed, speed, speed. That's what this house is built on.
In our industry, a technical sponsorship is something that is earned, it's not purchased. And in the case of DMG Mori Seiki, for us, they've more than earned that place within our space, and we're fortunate to have them on board.
The feeling you get by winning is just absolutely incredible. You know that particular day you were the best. That little sip of that champagne at the end of the day, that's what you live for.
Speed, precision, and teamwork. DMG Mori Seiki.